Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, new day, Tuesday, March the 15th, 2022. We have here in this newspaper only one regular Sudoku, and I've also not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional. Well, what I will do, I will solve an additional, the latest additional with Sudoku's left. I believe Friday. Yes, Friday, March the 4th. Yesterday we have also no additional. So yeah, let me do the additional of March. Oh, apologies. Yeah, March the 4th. I have here 3 puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. But first, of course, the Sudoku, regular Sudoku, and this will be number 4259. 4259. Okay, let me position the camera first. I need some space here. 4259. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. So it must be easier than the 1 star in the additional. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this second row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 here. Here also an 8. So no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, or there in the second row. We see another 8, so no 8 here. Here another 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row be 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column be 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 4 should be here. And then 2 in this column, last column, 2 in that column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Then how about 6 and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and a 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in this middle column, so no 9 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2. Is missing 3, 4, and the 5 is missing 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 1. Okay. Then yeah, I'm thinking. How about 6, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 518. Thinking. 6, 5, 7. Ooh. Yeah. Come on. 3. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Right. 6. 9, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about this box? 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Two numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those two numbers. Yeah, also two numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and a 7. Sorry, 6 and a 8. 6 and a 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 6 and a 8. 8, okay. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? We have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. 269, 269, 269. Okay, 3, 1. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, no need to place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 3, 1. Need a 9 here. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. How about 2, 1, yeah, no, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, okay, we have a 6, I need a 6 here, and I need a 1, 6, 1, 6, okay, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the second column, so no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Okay. One in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see the 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright. Then, come on. How about 9, 9, 8, 7, 9, 9. Yeah. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, okay. 2, 3, 9. 9, 9. 2, 3. Wow. Complicated. 2, 3, 9. 6, 9, 8. Well, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 6, the 8, and the 9. Well, this box cannot be an 8. This box cannot be an 8. And 1 box left for the 8 in the third row should be there. Now I've eliminated the 6, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. This box should be a 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. And the 6. 3 and 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Same here. The 6 and the 3 are missing in this big square. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 2 and a 6, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes here. 70 minutes. Disappointing. Disappointing. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, well, I'm collecting these center boxes for more than 5 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here the 659, 659, 963, 963, and 846, 846. Here we have a triple pair, the 6 and the pair 9. All right, fantastic. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we'll meet again later on, maybe in the evening, for the other puzzles in additional of Friday edition. Yes, Friday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.